Hi guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name is Stephanie and today I'm going to be cleaning the house. So as many of you know, I have done quite a few different videos lately. Most of them have just been sit down and chat videos. But I haven't done very many cleaning videos for a while, so I thought what I would do, I'd go ahead and get the house straightened around. There's not a ton of work that needs to be done on it, but it's just kind of like little messes here and little messes there. We've been trying to keep up on it just in case we find the perfect house and we have to list like right away. So what we've decided to do is to just keep on top of the house and make sure it's like perfect condition for it that moment that we have to list. So we have to keep the house spotless. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me.
So starting off, I started with the entrance, and all I had to do was clear up the seat. It seems like it gets totally bombarded with stuff, and so I got that cleaned, and then I moved on into the living room, which the living room ends up being cluttered by lots of toys. And so the kids were all down for naps, while Cherith was down for a nap and Silas was outside, so I figured I'd just go ahead and clean up their toys. Took a few extra minutes, but it was nice to have it all done. Just done laundry, so I went ahead and took the laundry to the kids' bedrooms and got that put away. Next, it was time to take everything downstairs. I usually try to take it all down at one time instead of having to do it a little bit here and a little bit there, so that's what I did. Then it was off to Silas's room. He had not cleaned his room at all that day, and so I had a little bit more to clean up, but it wasn't too terribly messy. This honestly was the worst of it. Usually Silas makes his own bed, but I had just cleaned this blanket, so I went ahead and made his bed for him. On to the bathroom. Honestly, this is actually one of my favorite places to clean. For some odd reason, I don't know why, the bathroom is one of my favorite places to clean up and get all sparkly. kitchen. If you'll notice, the kitchen cabinets on the bottom are brown and the ones on top are white. It's because we are in the process of replacing the cabinets. My husband built all the cabinets and we put them in. Now we're waiting for countertops and we have to get the cabinets painted. Playroom. Silas normally cleans the playroom. Like I said, he was outside playing. It was a nice sunny day, so I went ahead and just cleaned everything up. Plus I had sewing stuff I had to put away anyways, so I went ahead and did that. This is just a little cubby that we have under the stairs, and we just keep it for just a few little toys here and there, and so I straightened that back up. Then there was the laundry room. I had some loads to switch and some clothes to hang up here. I wanted to get that all done, and so I did and got the laundry room all straightened up. last thing I did on my list was to get all of our clothes that were clean, folded, and put away, so I did that at the very end.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And for those of you who are new to the channel, you can hit the subscribe button down below. There's also a bell off to the one side where you can hit it and YouTube will notify you anytime I upload a new video. I would love for you to stick around and to see what's happening here on Martinmade. You can also comment in the comment section down below, and I will try to get back to you. I usually do. For the most part, I try to, as long as I see that someone has answered on there. And so you can comment down below. But I will see you next week. Bye.